So good morning, guys. Good evening for some of the people. Like it might be night. So every day, like it's a good day. So great wishes from my side. I'm Dikshit Bora. I'm a Monstack developer working with projects company. And to improvise myself, like I started this unique way to write like every day some data structure algorithms and some basic code so that I can improvise myself into other aspects which I'm feeling like I'm lacking, and I want to improvise myself. So I'm working onto those kind of things, and right now I'm coming to our problem that we would be solving like multiple regular day we would be solving a single problem. So that is our main motto. And today I would be solving like one problem which I have taken from leetcode. I started with easy. This is the fourth day, so we would be taking a track of like every day's video. So coming to the problem, like I'm sharing my that screen, and it just comes up. Yep. So this is our problem statement, and I have taken like an instance to do the replica of like say lead code onto my system, local system, so that I can run like those testing scenarios, and written like the test cases for the same as well. So whatever test cases like those people write, I have written the same, but into a simple jest using jest library. So that is the thing which I have done. Coming to the problem, like we are having a problem, say +1. Uh, so guys, I might be looking at some other screen as well because I'm having another screen and I need to take sometimes a nap onto that one as well. So coming to our problem, like we are having a simple +1 problem. So in this +1 problem, like it says a simple thing like we would be having an array. Okay. In this array, we would be getting like a number of digits like that are like 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and we are having like those 3 digits, and at the output of that digit, when we go after we clear our problem, after we complete our algorithm, the output should be 1, 2, and 4, which means like 1, 2, 3 would be there, and we would be adding 1 plus 1 to the last value. So that is our problem, and that is how like we would be solving that one. And the same goes with the last one, because the last one is like a simple example. We saying like if we are having only one digit, that is 9. So there would be 2 digits which would be added, saying 1 and 0 into the array. So that is the way how we would be solving that. So coming to the problem solution, like we would be returning something, okay, and that we can define on the go. But I would be saying we would be returning like say our function. So let's start with our simple for loop. Okay, we are having a for loop like say I, and in that I we would be defining, say we would be defining 0, not 0, like we would be defining digit dot length -1. So it would be starting from, we are having the last index value, and we would be reversing this array. So we would be going from backward position so that it would be much more convenient for us. Okay, so we would be having like say greater than or equal to 0, and when we have like we would be going from minus minus. It won't be a plus plus, or it won't be an incremental, it would be a reversal. So it would be a minus minus. Now coming to the other point, like next there would be a if condition. Why? To see that like if the digit is greater than less than 9, then it would be coming, and else it would be adding up 0. So that is the main point, like say digit of I is less than 9, and digit digits of I, we would be going for an incremental, and now we would be returning the digit. That would be digits. So I had done a mistake. It should not be an array over here. And then we have an else loop. It's not an else loop, it's an else condition of the digits of I, and that is equal to 0. That is the final thing. And now we have to return would be our condition of 1, and we would be doing the spread operator. So this is like JavaScript expressions, like you would be spreading your digits, and it would be covering it might be spreading like your values. So it would be giving you a spread, and it would be matching with the mean array which we are getting. We are spreading up that complete array, but we are adding 1. Okay, so that is it, guys. Let us take say the test. So npm run test, and we would be running the test onto the same file. And yeah, see, we are able to get like pretty much all of our output. So that is the solution for our problem. Now coming to the real thing, like guys, I would be pretty much excited to get to know like to all of you guys, and I would be waiting for your comments. If you are willing to give any kind of, and if you are willing to get to any kind of other things, saying like to write any kind of say an application, we can start writing an application. I will be giving you any ideas that you are having. You can just give me a comment out. I can do it with that way. And that is it, guys. Like I will be waiting for your comments, and I'd be waiting for your likes and follow, and you can even subscribe to my channel as well. So that is it, guys. Goodbye.